We just received a glowing review from someone who's thrilled about our top-notch 5-star service. It makes us proud to share such great compliments with everyone now. As you can see, we not only take the time to meet everyone's needs, we go that extra distance because we really do care, and it's great to see that we're making a huge difference every day. But don't take the reviewer's word for it. Discover the difference for yourself. We're confident you'll love the value and attention to detail that's become our specialty. We appreciate you stopping by and watching our video. We're happy to answer any questions you might have. We are only one call away from serving you.